Hello and happy Monday, everyone, or happy whatever day it is that you happen to be watching this. It's been a hot minute. It's a new year. Happy New Year. Happy 2023. Hope it's been going pretty well for all of you. So I guess I should start at the beginning. It's been a little bit, and I should be as transparent as possible. We lost all of my chickens, and then not long after we lost both of my barn kittens. So it's been a bit of a rough winter for us, and it's made it very hard to want to film anything or to do anything. I've lost a lot of motivation, but I haven't stopped doing things. It's just been a matter of picking up the camera and filming it. So I am trying to get back into that. We are going to have regularly scheduled videos starting next Monday. I make the promise now. We've got big projects in the works. We've got big plans. And I'm excited to get back into this journey and showing everyone and sharing it. So thank you for being patient. I hope you understand why I have been absent for a bit. It's been a couple months now. It was necessary for healing, for processing, and then, it's just been busy with winter. So back at it again. Gonna pick up where we left off. And yeah, I guess thank you all for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next week.